So I started off by going to Nature Strand Salon and Clinic to have my hair washed, blow dried, and prepped for my braids. And this was like a very, very quick appointment. We just washed and blow dried it so it to be straight, and then I left for the salon where I was going to make my hair. The reason why I didn't have my hair washed and braided in the same place is because there was no light around town. So then I got these French curls from Expression, because when I asked about the regular French curls, everybody was calling 30k for extensions for me, like 30k for 4 packs, because 1 pack wasn't going to be enough. But guess what? I got the ones for the Expression, 1 pack for 7k, and it was enough for my whole head. And there's no hair appointment without food, because you'd finish this hairstyle and you'd be so hungry. This food banged. And then this is my hair halfway. My sister was taking videos, and basically it was so neat and it wasn't that painful because my hair was washed and blow dried. And this is the finished result. In fact, when they finished this hair, I was feeling brand new. It was so beautiful. This is my favorite color to make hair of. I like to use color 30, and I like how lightweight the hairstyle is, how breathable, how it just feels like your hair but longer. So this was it, and then I went straight to packing my makeup bag. I just packed a few essentials that I knew I'd need. This is my micellar water, my lip products, brow products, just a lot of stuff that I feel like I might need. And basically just a little cute bag as a makeup artist who likes her full glam. So I packed everything. In fact, these lashes, I wasn't meant to pack them because I never used them. But yeah, here is my entire makeup kit for the trip. I think I packed lightly for someone who likes a full glam. What do you think? Would you pack this much for a 3 to 4 day trip? Anyway, this is me the next day on my way to Abuja. I had my virtual assistant book my trip a month earlier, which made the tickets a little cheaper. And I booked to travel from Abuja to Lagos as opposed to going through Jos, because using Jos was kind of 100 and maybe 40k extra on the actual price I paid, and it was just a no-no. So I just decided to take the trip from Jos to Abuja by road and then proceeded to the airport. This was me. I was really tired already. But yeah, I left Jos early. I booked like an evening flight, and then I left Jos at, I think, 9 a.m. And I got to Abuja at about 2 p.m. And then I got to the airport like maybe 30 minutes before my gate closed, and I was right on time. God was very intentional about me, because this flight was not about to go and leave me in Abuja. But anyway, I got there and the rider asked me what flight I was using, what airline. I told him Arik. So he took me to Terminal B, which is where Arik Air customers come in from. And I got in. Everything was sharp really. I didn't have so much luggage. I just got in, showed them my ID card, showed them my ticket for confirmation, and then they weighed my bag, confirmed that it was okay for me to board, and I proceeded to find the waiting area. I just wanted to mention that everybody is just trying to be sleek at these airports, because why is it that I was moving and I knew where I was going, but there was someone always kind of eager to show me directions I wasn't looking for? Like, I applaud your efforts, but almost it was very obvious what these people were looking for. But yeah, I was just really excited, and I would stop and take in the view and the sights, and then go up some more. I'd stop, taking the view, and it was just really nice to be here again after such a long time. I haven't been in this airport since almost 7 years ago, like 6.5 years ago, when I came back from school. So it was kind of weird. I was testing out my new tripod that I got, which has a Bluetooth remote, and I was just trying to see how to record with it. In fact, I never had the chance to try it before traveling, so this was me trying to try it. I was shy, recording myself in a public space, because there are older people and they'll be looking at you like, who is this one? Is it her first time flying? So many thoughts will be flying through their minds, but content had to be made. So I reapplied my gloss. I tried to pack my hair because, being in a hurry, I didn't even have a chance to look at myself. I also couldn't go to the bathroom because I didn't want to leave my bag unattended, which is something you shouldn't do at the airport. Anywhere you're going, your bag should go with you before you come back and hear stories that touch. Anyway, I styled my hair and I was trying to get cute for the camera. And this is my Bluetooth remote, which I was using to control my phone and the tripod. So yeah, basically in a few minutes they just called us to go board, and this was my cue. I was so excited, like I was going tee in every single moment, and this was us walking to go enter the plane. The airports are built differently, so this one you have to walk up to the plane. Like, bus is not going to pick you because it's not that far to the plane. So just make sure your hand luggage is easy to carry. And like I said, I kept teeing my way, and this was us trying to enter the plane. I just really loved reliving this. The weather was kind of funny. It was hazy, so the pictures weren't so clear. But yeah, this is me trying to find my seat. I was really hoping I'd get a window seat, but nah, I did not. Got there to find out that I had a middle seat, and it was okay, sha, because I was still able to get my pictures and videos that I wanted to get. This is me seated on my middle seat and trying to see how I can get my window shot pictures, and in no time we were up in the air. I was soaking up this sight because it is the most beautiful sight ever. I can never get used to this. In fact, it looks like a bed, a peaceful bed that you can sleep on. The only problem is if you find yourself on this bed, you are either in heaven or you are going to heaven. Those are two things that are happening there. So I just enjoyed the sight before they brought in a snack. I was really hungry, guys. And I mean, this thing was looking like I could hammer it in seconds, which I did. So just kind of enjoy the flight with me, and I'll catch up with you guys later. So in the Lagos airport, you can see that there are buses that take you from the plane to the arrival terminal. And it is so cool because the distance is a lot farther than the one in Abuja. So we all got on the bus and it took us to the terminal, where we all got to the place where we were going to claim our luggage. Now, the first thing that struck me in Lagos is the humid weather. Like, I'm a Jos girl, and right now it is still Harmattan in Jos. It gets hot in the afternoon, but it's not as hot, can never be as hot. It was hot, the air was like moist and hot. I was like, what is this weather? But anyway, I was walking straight to the luggage claim, and baggage claim is what they call it. So we're waiting, and they hadn't started coming out yet. So there was a woman that saw me here and was asking if I was a size 0 because I was so thin. I just looked at her and she was like, do you wear size 0? I was like, huh? Is there a size 0? She was like, yeah, because her daughter is so thin and I'm so thin and I should be a size 0. I was like, nah, I'm not. Anyway, I got out, got a taxi, and can we talk about how ridiculously expensive taxis are? Like, the drivers are either looking to extort you because you are at the airport, or they will try to get you to wait so they can get another passenger and add to you so that they can make up more money. Anyway, this bridge was so pretty. I loved how the lights were arranged, and this is the famous Lekki Toll Gate. And this is the hotel room that my VA booked for me. If you want to take a trip, I can hook you with my virtual assistant and she will book everything for you at an amazing price. Home few days. So this is Villa 33. So exhausted, so exhausted. Can't wait to unwind and kickstart this holiday.